In 2021, Ripple has been on a seesaw ride. It began the year at 22 cents and rose to over $2 by mid-April, lingering around 62 cents on July 24. Despite the current downturn in the cryptocurrency industry, XRP is up over 180% so far this year. What was the gift from the heavens attorney Jeremy Hogan was talking about? What was Gary Gensler's statement? And how's that going to help XRP gain massive rally? Stay tuned to find out as we unveil the whole case for you. But first, we are giving away $25 at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome XRP Army. Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. Before the American Bar Association Derivatives and Futures Law Committee, Gary Gensler, chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, spoke about security-based swaps. He began by saying, "I'm not speaking on behalf of my other commissioners or the staff of the Securities and Exchange Commission." This statement is now crucial as the SEC prepares to confront ex-SEC Director William Hinman's deposition for a speech he gave in 2018 about the nature of Ether being, not a security. In the aftermath of the Archegos disaster and the SEC completion of derivatives monitoring in the United States, 11 years after Dodd-Frank, the SEC chair spoke about security-based swaps. Mr. Gensler emphasized the convergence between security-based swaps and financial technology, including crypto assets, at the end of his speech. The SEC chair stated, "There are endeavors by a number of sites to sell crypto tokens or other products that are priced off the value of stocks and behave like derivatives. Make no mistake, a stock token, a stable value token backed by stocks, or any other virtual commodity that provides a synthetic exposure to underlying securities is all the same. Securities regulations apply to these platforms, whether they are in the decentralized or controlled finance realm, and they must operate within our securities framework. If these products are security-based swaps, they will be subject to the additional requirements I outlined previously, such as the transaction reporting rules. Then, under the Securities Act of 1933, any offer or sale to retail participants must be registered and executed on a national securities exchange," he noted. The SEC has already filed complaints against retail security-based swaps offerings, and additional blockchain firms are expected to be charged in the near future. Finance Feeds recently examined the phenomena of asset tokenization and mentioned Binance as one of the leading firms already selling such products, having started with a tokenized form of Tesla shares, TSLA, to allow non-US based users to trade the instrument and many more after that. Binance, like an increasing number of other companies, may be attempting to circumvent regulatory frameworks in the United States and other countries. The retaliation is currently underway, a global crackdown on Binance. RippleNet's general manager Ashish Birla revealed earlier this month that the company's famed XRP ledger would be used to tokenize assets. From art and real estate to intellectual property, equities, and supply chain commodities, tokenization is revolutionizing how individuals acquire, trade, track, and manage assets. Indeed, the World Economic Forum predicts that 10% of global GDP will be tokenized by 2027. We're transitioning from a cross-border payments network to a platform that offers tokenized services, bringing crypto capabilities to businesses and preparing them for a future in which crypto is front and center. RippleNet was created to address the problems of speed, cost, and transparency in cross-border payments for individuals who have been mostly ignored by the banking system. Ripple's new product will most likely gain traction in the Asia-Pacific because of the region's advanced crypto regulation, but there is no lack of clarity when it comes to blockchain-powered products that provide exposure to underlying stocks. They are subject to U.S. securities regulations. Gary Gensler, the SEC chair, made it abundantly obvious. The lack of clarity in the crypto environment in the United States has been a major problem. So much so that, according to attorney Jeremy Hogan, SEC Commissioners Hester Peirce and Elad Roisman made public statements this week admitting that it was a gift from the heavens. Ripple and the individual defendants will utilize the admission of lack of clarity from key SEC officials to support their fourth affirmative defense and request to dismiss the case, respectively. Ripple has asked the court to take into account SEC Commissioners Hester Peirce and Elad Roisman's recent letter in support of the defendants' resistance to the SEC's current move to invalidate Ripple's fair notice defense. In other words, in the SEC versus Ripple Labs case, Ripple is relying on the commissioner's acknowledgement of a lack of clarity in the crypto field to support its fourth affirmative argument. Individual defendants Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson recently filed the identical public declaration in support of their application to dismiss the case. Commissioners Peirce and Roisman have honestly indicated that there is a decided lack of clarity for market participants concerning the application of the securities laws to digital assets and their trading, according to the new Ripple filing in support of the fair notice defense. Given the clear infighting at the highest level of the commission, it will be interesting to see how the SEC tap dances in its reply to the defendants' papers about the Peirce and Roisman statement. The SEC needs to clean up its act, according to James K. Phelan, an XRP community attorney. The news comes at a favorable time for Ripple's lawyers, who will question ex-SEC Director William Hinman on July 27 in order to bolster the company's fair notice defense. The deadline for SEC Chair Gary Gensler's required response to Senator Elizabeth Warren is the next day, July 28. She wants to know about the SEC's power to properly regulate cryptocurrency exchanges and to assess if Congress needs to act to ensure that the SEC has the requisite jurisdiction to remedy existing regulatory loopholes, according to her request. That letter also sparked a flurry of discussion about what could be construed as a well-coordinated power move to circumvent the CFTC. On July 21, the price of XRP increased by 8%, putting the international settlements token over the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the surge that began in December 2020 at $0.555. Furthermore, the 22nd of July's follow-through propelled Ripple above the 50-week SMA at $0.571, setting the stage for a bullish hammer candlestick on the weekly chart. Ripple needs a daily closing above May's declining trend line at $0.620 and the significant resistance connected with the May 23 low of $0.652 to confirm the low on July 20 at $0.516 and positive XRP price intentions. Assume the cryptocurrency complex experiences a collective rally. In that event, the 50-day SMA at $0.706 may be tested before coming up against the formidable resistance flanked by the converging 200-day SMA at $0.759 and the neckline of an inverted head and shoulders pattern at $0.773. To avoid XRP price churn caused by numerous layers of resistance, it is advisable to accumulate Ripple using weakness down to the 78.6% retracement level at $0.555, with a stop at the $0.512 low on June 22. The potential for a 38% gain from the retracement level would be shown if the execution was effective. So far, the XRP price strength hasn't been a one-day phenomenon, but a daily closing below the $0.512 low on June 22 increases the chances that Ripple could challenge the 200-week SMA at $0.457. Any more flaws would exacerbate the cryptocurrency's problems. For the first time in a few weeks, events this week have revived interest in the cryptocurrency market, prompting market operators to initiate a pilot purchase. For the time being, the weekly close is all that matters since it determines where the three crypto majors stand in relation to influential moving averages and support and resistance levels. Investors can look forward to bullish outcomes for the rest of the summer thanks to improving technical. Many crypto experts anticipate that digital currencies will become more widely recognized in the next few years. As a result, the emergence of tokens like Ripple appears to be unavoidable. However, XRP is now unable to begin a new bull leg due to a legal snag. The price of XRP fluctuates rapidly and widely on a daily basis. Furthermore, knowing the direction and magnitude of the following move would be impossible. Short-term Ripple traders should exercise caution. However, if you have a 2 to 3 year time horizon, you may want to explore an exposure below 60 cents. RippleNet is likely to continue providing value for XRP investors if it expands its partnerships with major financial institutions and/or resolves legal difficulties with the SEC. Cryptocurrencies are being supported by a growing number of corporations, including MasterCard, Microsoft, PayPal, Square, and Visa. Elon Musk of Tesla made news earlier in 2021 with his environmental worries. However, he has stated that Tesla will accept Bitcoin transactions after mining is done with renewable energy sources. Ripple was created with the goal of transferring money fast and cheaply, especially across borders. Long-term supporters of XRP-USD believe it will eventually supplant SWIFT, the present international banking standard. The Ripple network is now used by a wide number of financial organizations. Over 300 providers from 50 countries are part of the platform's network. More companies are lining up to use it for speedier payments and transfers. As a result, if the litigation is resolved in some way, XRP might easily reach new highs. Do you invest in XRP? If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 more videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, my friend. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.